What's up, beautiful people? So I'm about to head to my best friend's apartment and do a quick activity with her and her son for Vlogmas Day 5. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm running a little late. I'm about to head there now.
Hello, I'm Zaina.
Bye. You guys, a tour of her Christmas decoration is so cute. She has a tree up. She has some ribbons. And what is that right there? That stuff wrapped around?
This?
Yeah.
Garland?
She has some garland and some socks already hanging, honey. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick little tour. Okay, so we're gonna do some ugly sweater cookies, you guys. There's some sweaters in here. I think it's sugar cookie, and then we have some icing and some sprinkles we're gonna put on top of it. So we're gonna see how it comes out.
And we may attempt to decorate it.
I look so much bigger than y'all. I think it looks good right there.
Cousin, you're so funny.
Look at you, Kason.
Good job. Here, I ate the cookie.
Girl, me too.
Look, I'm gonna have a piece of that one. Look. Is it yummy?
Okay, so we got the icings. White, red, green, and black. Which one y'all want to use first? I'm going to use, I think I'm going to do a green shirt first. A green sweater.
Here, baby.
Ooh, my hair, honey.
Did you go to the gym today?
I did not. I went yesterday. I didn't have time to go today.
Yeah, bro.
I didn't have time to go today.
Ooh. Good job, baby.
Oh, look at you. Good job, Kason. Good job.
We're freestyling here.
Me too.
I'm not even gonna look at the picture.
Why you looking at mine?
Don't get her ideas, baby.
Yeah, don't take my ideas.
She made her Kason. Ooh, good job. You wanna do that one too?
Good job, Kason. Look at you.
You're doing so good. Yay! Let's do white. We have sprinkles too.
Oh yeah, we got sprinkles. So we got the red and we got the green going. Oh, he want to use some black now.
Why do they have black in
I bet
here?
it tastes like, I bet the black
Licorice?
Yeah, I'm about to say that. I bet it tastes like licorice. That's, licorice is nasty, actually.
Is the icing good?
I didn't know you could hear me eating it.
Oh, that's smacking.
It doesn't really have a flavor.
Really?
Yeah. At least not to me. Girl. I like you spill all the sprinkles, girl. I say, wait a minute.
I didn't realize it was too bad.
I saw at the gym.
Really?
Yes. I saw my
Did he remember you?
He waved at me before I waved at him, so yeah, he did.
Did y'all say something?
No, because I was in the middle of doing reps. He was talking to some guy. I think it was another gay guy.
That's what's up. Because every time I would ask him like about his dating life, he was like, he wasn't talking to anyone. So
He looked good. He looked the same. He always looked fit.
I know.
Always. I was like, damn, I need to work out with him, but then he might push me too hard.
I know he used to run and stuff.
Just for fun? Did he do sports?
Just to stay in shape. He used to tell me.
He's a very nice looking guy.
He is. Like, that's what they say, the good ones.
Be cut. Kason, can I use the red one? Can I use the red one?
Watch it shoot out on my face.
Can you hand me the red one, Kason?
You put it on your jacket?
Can you hand me the red one?
What?
Kason?
Give that to Simone.
I can't get it.
Thank you.
Kason, can Simone have it?
Thank you.
Aww.
You're so sweet. Sweet baby.
So can we get the green? Get the green.
You want the green one, Casey? There you go.
Yeah.
Here you go. Grab some of these. Put those on there. You gotta have one hand free. Go ahead, pick them up. You gonna pick them up? And put them on the cookie? See, look. Pick them up and then drop it. Pick them up. There you go. Good job. Good job, Kason. Good job. Look at you. You a pro. So for those of you who are at home,
Careful.
spending time with your family members, what did you guys do together, or your friends? Did y'all make cookies too? Or did y'all just go shopping together?
Or did y'all do gingerbread houses?
Oh, yes.
Or a gingerbread train. I was gonna get a Rice Krispie treat train, but
you had to make the Rice Krispie bars, and that's gonna take some time.
I figured I would burn it.
Oh dang!
Because
Not burn it.
yeah, burn it. Cause Casey would be right there in the kitchen with me.
Oh, I feel you. I've made Rice Krispie bars before, but I don't remember us baking it. I remember us just mixing it up, putting it in a pan, and then putting it in the fridge.
Yeah, it's not hard. All you gotta do is like melt the butter. I think you mainly just melt the butter and the marshmallows, and then just mix it all together.
Icing is hard pretty fast.
Does it? Oh, we probably gonna put those sprinkles down there.
Yeah.
Whee! Oh, you have a little tree in the middle.
It was a tree.
That's so cute.
Look, go like this.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
Good job, baby. Hold
Good
it.
job.
Look at Simone. Oh, what she got going on?
This one is not yet finished. This one, you know, was trial and error, getting me ready for the second one. That's all that was. It had potential. It's focusing. Focus, focus, focus. There we go. It had potential. I don't know what happened. This is how it turned out.
Oh, it would have been cuter if you used a different color in the center. Maybe the red.
Probably. This is my favorite though.
Yeah, it still turned out good.
This is my favorite one. Which one's it for you? You only have one left.
But I like the one that I made. Well, I like all mine. All mine were good. I'm not being cocky or anything.
This is my favorite one, you guys. It came out so good. Follow, like, comment down below which one you think is the cutest. What you say?
Okay, so where is your nose? Where's your nose? Nose. Where's your teeth? Simone's nose. Where's your teeth? Good job. Where's your ears? Ears. Head. Where's your belly? Belly. Go lower. Belly. Where's your toes? Good job, man. Where's your arms? Good job. Yay. Give mommy a high five. Yay. Get Simone a high five.
High five.
Yay. You're so smart.
That's cute.
Oh.
They learned that in daycare?
I taught him that actually.
Oh.
I be asking him like, so what have y'all been? I'm like, what do y'all do today?
You asked them that, Dana?
Yeah.
I mean, you should ask them because you pay for their services.
I'm like, what do y'all do during the day? Do y'all sing songs and stuff? Because I personally haven't noticed anything different from Casey going to daycare. The stuff that he knows, I taught him that. But I feel like he hasn't come home with anything like new. I know he's still in like the. He said, I know he's still like young, but
he could still learn a lot at this age.
Yeah, like he should, like that stuff he could have been coming home with.
That's true.
But I personally feel like I haven't noticed anything like this stuff I'm taught.
It's like there's so many kids they have to watch over sometimes. Like you don't really get that hands-on one-on-one learning.
And I feel like every time I ask, I don't get like a full answer.
So
like it's always like, we played and did a little, cause sometimes I'll be like, so what y'all do? Do y'all do like songs and read books and stuff? I'm like, yeah, we do sometimes. I just feel like it's not a direct answer. And they never say like, yeah, today we learned about animals, or you know, maybe, I don't know, like maybe I'm expecting too much.
No, I don't think you should lower expectation when it comes to your child's education at all. Because, like you said, if you're paying for something, you expect them to get something out of it. If they can't even answer you, that's a problem.
I'm gonna start asking even more, like, so what did y'all learn today?
Right. I don't think you should stop. Maybe that'll give them an idea. Maybe we should teach them something more than what we've been teaching them, since parents are asking. What about the other parents that have their kids there?
I don't know. Most of them just come in and get their kid and leave. What'd you drop?
Masterpieces. Yes, we did that, honey.
I know.
We did that. Oh, it's got a shadow in the background.
I know, that's what I was trying to avoid.
Oh,
In the same spot. They're gonna be on top of each
other. Ooh. Ooh, yeah.
See what more?
Yay. Ooh.
Oh, Mommy's so proud of you.
Got a red and a white and green.
Take the red circle.
Ooh.
Good job, Pumpkin.
Put the red with the red, okay. Yay! You're so happy.
Yay.
Good job.
Yay! Oh, you gotta leave it.
Oh,
no. No. Do this one.
Oh, no.
This is my hair. Product.
That's all of them?
I think so. Oh, no, we got a dot.
Where's the tree topper? Yay! Good job, Kason.
Hold on, look.
Good job. Yay.
I'm just gonna glue it down for you. You wanna redo it?
Good job, Kason. Good job. With your big belly. Good job. Oh, yep, I'm right here.
I think he pooped.
Why you hitting me? Say bye. Bye. See you next time.
Blow kisses. Blow kisses.
Oh.
You're so sweet.